Okay, if you've ever wondered how to get an entire row to change color based on the condition in just one cell in that row, you're going to use whole row conditional formatting. And here are the steps. You're going to select everything that might be formatted. That's usually your entire data set. You're going to click the conditional formatting button in the ribbon and choose New Rule. Then you're going to select the formula, use a formula to determine which cells to format. That's a selection on the dialog box. Then you're going to enter your condition, and that little field can be kind of tricky, as you'll see. And then to check it, as we have to do in ours, you will be able to do that with just clicking on conditional formatting and choosing manage rules and then edit the rule. Okay, so this is how those steps shake out. We're going to select everything that might potentially get formatted. So I'm just going to do Control A here and then Shift down arrow because I don't want to format that header row. Then I'm going to click on the conditional formatting button and choose New Rule. Here is where we're going to choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Now this is where we're going to put the condition in. This is an implied if statement. You have to be careful in here because using your arrow keys is going to throw off the formula. So we want to look at total here. And I'm going to remove that $sign from the row because while we do want it to only consider what's in G, we do want it to consider every row. So we've removed the $sign from the row, and our condition is that it's greater than 1,000. Easy to forget here to click on the format button, which is at the bottom, but we're going to choose our format. I'm going to use yellow highlight and click OK, and then OK. And it has highlighted the entire row. Now, if for whatever reason this doesn't look right, you may have had filtering on, you may have done something to the data set that's causing it to not look at everything. That's okay. Unfilter it, and then go back to conditional formatting, manage rules, and take a look. Now you can see mine kind of went wonky here, and that's how it missed this guy. So I'm going to edit the rule and just make sure this says G2. And click OK and apply, and now it's fixed that. So I'm kind of glad it made that problem so that you can see how to fix it. And it does usually happen if there's any filtering or anything applied in there. And that's whole row conditional formatting.